So the first step, I make everything is reset to show where all the object is located. And now the wall, I make a minus 500 position to make a space between actor and monitor and make a big screen like this. After that, I want to put the background also all the way back to go the size. For example, this one has to go all the way back, something like that. Slightly bigger, farther, which is maybe 3 times distance. Maybe this place is good. So here we have a background. And the next step is now act and desk. So desk, I won't put in some place like here, but in this case the very strange mismatching. So here we just put some desk with a size like here. The problem is we can place any place, but now, for example, in this case, if I click next button, it has some preset for monitor and actor. So one way is we have to put everything here, but in that case the floor looks very strange. So what I'm trying here is making wall slightly big. In that case, another problem is this floor. So the only way is making slightly strange. This is something problem. So not serious problem, but to have such kind of wall which designer made, the only way I have to do is to make a full size of wall. Let's say reset. What's the reset means? Oh my God! In this case, it comes back. So we have to go back to all the way back. Something like here. So, and now I want to make a desk slightly down to make a reasonable location for this picture. An actor I have to put here to make slightly bigger. See what happens. So if you go second scene, they have something like that, something like that, something like this. So this is a typical configuration. So what we can do here, this is something strange because desk is flying, actor is there. So the only way here, I have to make a camera down to show desk reasonably, and then from here, actually I have to make actor set to all scene. It should work, right? Set to all. Yes. And I have to set to all this button, showing very strange. It should come back.
It should be this way because now any change you make will be set to all. It's not the button, it's a checkbox.
How can you make a independent setting? Once you click again?
Yes.
Okay.
It's a checkbox.
Okay. So let's go to here, and then we can make camera go back. And then move slightly up because I want to make a quite big actor size. And then monitor I can place here slightly bigger to match It's the same. Here, because of distance between desk and actor, I have to readjust. I mean that, yeah, maybe precise movement. To make it precise, I usually go here. And something oppositely working. You know what I mean? If I move up, it should go down. If I move down, it go up. So the direction of wheel is slightly opposite. Anyway, after I make this way, precise cutting here, I normally make a set to all. Set to all. And then it should be the same. The reason why there is a gap is there is a three-dimensional distance between actor and desk, I think. So now here, third here, from here I have to make something also. First I have to set camera position relatively big to make actor reasonable size. And then monitor, I have to move something like this. And then here again, I have to move camera to make actor position relatively smaller than this, a bit more smaller, I think. And then move camera to place here, and then monitor. I'm checking whether this is proper position or not. After that, we make something quite big. Okay, so let's assume this is the set. So I want save. Studio selection. This church set. Church test XML. This one, right? I can save. It should replace, right?
If you replace
Current one.
3,
Yeah, this one.
3, 4, no.
This?
Yes, you see the white box outline that this means.
But this is the church test XML.
There is a difference, selected profile and loaded profile. At the top it says loaded. The very top is what you are using right now.
This is what I'm using now.
Yes.
So this is, what is this? Selective.
Selected is only for loading, it's not for saving.
I'm confused. Loaded profile is this.
Yeah, so if you save, it will save to this one. Unless you click save as, then you can select different one.
Right, select profile. What's the profile XML and loaded profile XML?
Loaded is what you are currently using, and selected is what you clicked on.
Ah, what I clicked here, something like that.
Yes, this is only needed for selecting what to load.
If I save, what is saved?
To override
To here or here?
yeah,
Loaded.
loaded.
Oh, this is very confusing.
It's possible to improve this.
So maybe we can put this one on here, so when you click something, it can show the information. Or this one has to maybe save. We can put here instead of here, or something else, because every time I'm confusing. This is what I'm saving. I expected. Anyway, if I type save, it will save here, right?
Yes.
Anyway, let's try to save. Save. So I save to here. See what happens. So why this strange image still exists? This one. The first one is not from here. The first one has to be this. Second one, third one, first one.
And click save again.
Save again. Save again. Now it changed.
And it will
But anyway, we saved, right?
Yeah, now it matches the buttons, right?
Now match, but previous time, no.
It means the previous time button was different.
No, no,
You
no.
have to click at least one time, so it will remember.
No, now I did 2 times save, as you remember. Anyway,
You
so
click on the button to update. Each time you click on those scene buttons, they update the graphic.
okay, what is this then?
Some old set.
This is set I made today. Let's try to this sample one. So you see the preview here, because I have to kill all the problem set. Let's try to select, double click, yes, right? Now, what I have, this is the what I loaded, right? The preview. But now what I have here is this.
Yeah, looks like some problem.
Anyway, from here, if I make that way, and then I can make set to all. And then once I click again, it changed to here. So if I go here, if I go there, if I go there, if I go there. Anyway, it's okay. So if I make something, if I something like this, something like that, something like that. Anyway, it's acceptable. So I can save studio. Now just save, right? This is a sample one is this. So C, override. Yes. Sample one, now correctly saved, I believe. This one correctly saved, because this one is exactly saved. And then this is crazy set, I believe. What is that? So in general, okay, let's try to load again to see if this one is really. This is what we saved. Load. Okay, beautiful. And what is the set I made? The set, you remember the first set we made? Cannot show.
You can select sort by.
This one. Sort by way.
Next to the loaded profile.
Yeah.
Sort by sequence date. The last
Ah.
one date.
Wow.
Last one.
This is
So
the.
this will. This
Ah.
means you can also go up and down. Now the last one is the most recent is
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
sample one.
So we can change this too? Maybe this?
Yes.
Oh, beautiful. But this is sort by date, so date may be early something. But when you go name, they will go this way, right? Oh, this is very, very convenient. This is,
Actually, I asked Miss Ang to implement this feature.
yeah, this is beautiful. And then if I click, I hope it come back. Load. Please. Yes.
Looks like something with the preview images for buttons not updated.
So here, okay, here, here. Okay, so This is beautiful. If this really working, this is beautiful. The only problem is iStudio 240, 340 will never used. Once they used to this way, the current 340 finish. Then what should I do for 340? And they still thinking that that's more easy, but all the future function here, even this is something new and complicated, but this is the way to go. So we have to think about completely upgrade 240, 340, maybe 12 button only, and then apply this and finish 240, 340, finish. Yeah, but that's later. But anyway, the only worry I am thinking is once we announce VROPIS IS 150, I don't know who will buy 240 and 340. 240.
This doesn't have any 3D object.
Yes, that's why 3D object menu has to be follow this concept. Anyway, that's the next step. So I'll make some things. So you just think slightly more, then everything is finished. Okay. Now looks. I will check more, but mostly it's okay. Hello everybody. This is the first time I want to show how VROPIS 150 looks like. So it is very advanced feature. So people, this will show something like that. This is quite interesting because a very simple way is to make a camera action like that. So we need a wall, we need some desk anyway. So basically what we have to do here, I want to make a desk to somewhere around here, which means something here. Let's try to make something far desk, something like this. Here we have to have reset. So desk is quite big.